I'm going to show you some of the new features in this release. Probably the biggest feature is the downloadable layers. When you go into the Layer tab and select the available section, you'll see a number of additional layers that can be downloaded at will. And I'll just show you how it works. You just click on it and download the layer. That does take a very variable amount of time, obviously, depending on how quick your connection is. This does work over 3G. Wi-Fi connection is better, obviously, but either works. And usually it takes somewhere between 30 seconds and a minute to install a layer. So now I have a new layer installed, which turns out to describe the deer management units on the in Wisconsin. Now this leads me to another new feature, which is that there is now an integrated web browser, which basically allows you to view certain features in detail over the web without leaving the application. A good example of that, for instance, would be the congressional districts, which I'm going to bring up in just a second here. There. So these are all the congressional districts in Wisconsin. If I bring one up and bring up the details, I'm going to get some details, but then I can open up the official website for that particular congressman, Jim Sensenbrenner in this case, and go from there. Another new feature is the fact that anywhere on the map you can of course tap and get more details, but now you can actually view the corresponding Google map, and it's a very precise match this time, and you're not leaving the application. So that's pretty handy to look at different perspectives of the terrain that you're looking at. I just wanted to sort of quickly mention some of the interesting new layers that are available for download. The ones that are really interesting are, for instance, the school districts, which I think should be quite popular. Also the state assembly and state senate districts, which might be of interest. And then the deer and turkey management areas, which will be interesting for hunters. And that's it.